In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use app.photoroom.com to edit and enhance your photos effortlessly. Whether you're looking to remove an unwanted object or restore something important, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and concisely. First, let's head over to app.photoroom.com. Once you're on the site, look for the Create button. Clicking this will take you to the main editing interface, where all the magic happens. Take a moment to get comfortable with the layout, as this is where you'll be working for most of the process. Now, it's time to select the photo you want to work on. Look for the Select Photo option and give it a click. This will allow you to upload your image from your device. It's crucial to choose a high-quality photo for the best results, so take your time, select your photo, and wait for it to upload completely. Once your photo is ready, you'll see an option labeled Edit Cutout. Clicking this will bring you to a screen where you can make precise alterations to your image. From here, you can start using the editing tools to perfect your photo. If you need to remove objects from your image, you have two main options: manual erase and guided erase. Manual erase is perfect for when you want precise control over the area you are removing, while guided erase offers a little bit more assistance, helping you identify objects automatically. Choose whichever method suits your needs best and proceed to remove any unwanted elements from your photo. On the other hand, if you need to restore objects that were accidentally removed or need to be emphasized, you can use the same manual or guided erase tools for restoration. The interface makes it easy to toggle between removing and restoring, giving you ultimate control over your image's appearance. When restoring, make sure to carefully highlight the areas you wish to bring back into prominence. Next, it's time to click or highlight the objects that you want to remove or restore. The interface allows you to use your cursor to select the exact areas you want to focus on. Take your time with this step to ensure that your photo looks exactly as you envision it. Finally, once you're satisfied with all your changes, it's important to click on the Confirm button. This step finalizes all your hard work and saves changes, bringing your editing process to completion. Double-check everything before confirming, just to make sure that every element of your photo meets your expectations. That's it. You've successfully edited your photo using app.photoroom.com. With these skills, you can enhance any image to match your creative vision, giving your photos a professional touch. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.